Yeah, well, if there's standing water ahead, your best bet is to turn around and go the other way. Now, we're actually on Southwest 2nd Terrace here, just behind the Crunch Fitness here in Cape Coral. You can see there is still very much some standing water here behind me this morning. And yet we watched people still trying to cruise right through this water on Sunday afternoon as if it wasn't even there, much like this person right now that's actually cruising right past us and creating a wake. That is exactly what you do not want to do in situations like this. Now, this is something that Cape Coral Police don't want you to take lightly. One of those officers told us how the department, along with Public Works, stays connected in situations like this to make sure that areas of the city that are underwater get covered to keep people safe when flooding happens.
As far as a public safety standpoint, you have to be extremely careful. You shouldn't be treading through any type of water like that. Maybe there was no down power line then, but in 10, 15 minutes, power line could fall and you're playing in the water and you get electrocuted.
Now, as Officer Sancho points out there, you never know what could be under that water, which is why they're reminding people do not drive if water covers the road. Sancho says it's the same rule for people biking and even walking. Now, coming up here in the next hour, we'll tell you how the city is also trying to prevent streets from flooding as well. But for now, reporting live here in Cape Coral, Calvin Lewis, Fox 4.